Hi, I'm Connecticut attorney Ryan McKean, and I'm here to talk to you today about the 6 things you need to know when hiring a Connecticut workers' compensation attorney for COVID-19 claims. Number one is that there is no fee for a consultation. Workers' compensation consultations in Connecticut are free of charge. Our firm does them, and really every firm that I can think of that handles workers' compensation claims, they do a no charge consult. So if you're watching this or reading this or listening to it and you're thinking, do I have a claim? Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here for you and we can answer your questions. And if you don't have a claim, we'll tell you don't have a claim. And if you do, we can then help you. The second thing is that there are some lawyers who are paid up front. They're paid retainers or they're paid by the hour. Workers' compensation attorneys don't work like that. And when we're working on COVID-19 workers' compensation claims, what we do is we work on contingency, which means that we are only paid if and when we are able to recover money for you. And all of this is set by Connecticut law. It's very specific to workers' compensation. Generally, the fee would be about 20% of the claim, but it can vary a little bit. But again, you're not having to come out of money to get a good lawyer on your side to fight your case. Number 3 is that with the COVID-19 claims, they could be worth very little money to almost no money, or they could be worth very significant money. A lot of it is going to just have to depend upon the nature and extent of your damages, the amount of your lost wages, and really the permanent health effects that it has on you. Will you need care or medicine for the rest of your life? Those are the kinds of things that we're going to have to play out, and really the way the law works is that the more harm that you've suffered, the more money that you should receive, and our workers' compensation system is designed to try to do that. Number 4 is that your employer may contest your claim. We really expect this area of claims to be hotly fought because if you break your arm at work, there's going to be a report, there may be cameras, there may be coworkers who witnessed it. But with a virus, maybe you got it at the gym, maybe you got it at the grocery store, maybe you got it while getting your hair cut. You have to prove, did it happen at work? And also the underlying medical consequences, was it caused from COVID-19 or was it some other condition? So these could be very, very contested claims, and these are not claims that you're going to want to make on your own. Number 5 is that your family may be able to bring a lawsuit. So if you had, COVID-19 and you got it at work and you brought it home, and one of your family members got sick or God forbid died, they may have a claim against your employer that's not barred by workers' compensation. Now, those kinds of claims can be very, very complicated, and they're negligence claims, so we'd have to prove that the employer did something wrong. Maybe was not following the law, was not requiring masks, was not properly venting the office, was not following protocols as set forth by the state of Connecticut and the Centers for Disease Control. So it's going to be a little bit of a tougher case, but there may be instances where family members may be able to bring claims. And number 6 is a big one. It's no fault. When you're in a car accident, you've got to prove that somebody did something wrong. Your employer in a workers' compensation case could have done everything right. They could have had masks, they could have had sanitizer, and you could have contracted COVID there. Our workers' compensation system in Connecticut is no fault. It's not saying that one side was wrong and the other side was right, or one party was at fault and the other party was not. It's simply saying the only question is, were you hurt and did it happen at work? Those are really the 2 questions. So, don't feel like bad, or this is why you as an employee and your employer have been paying into a workers' compensation system exactly for this. And, as an employer myself, that's what we bargain for. That's what we buy. We buy this protection so our employees can be looked after in the event that they get hurt at work. So don't feel like there has to be something wrong to make the claim. And as always, you can contact us 24/7 860-471-8333. We're here for you. I'm going to put my website down in the comment section down here. And yeah, reach out to us. We're here. Our phones are always answered. Our attorneys are on call. Thank you.